Today we are going to be fixing my hair. So, not on a dare or anything, but I just wanted to show my friend that if you put baking soda and peroxide in your hair, it will lighten your hair. That was a mistake. I left it in for way too long. I didn't rinse it out. Overnight it lightened even more, and this is what I was left with. So I have looked online. I went to Sally's with Freddie and we got all of these items here, and we're going to fix my hair. So the first one here is Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver. I have heard lots of good things about this. It's by Clairol. Apparently it's very dark purple, and if you leave it in too long it can tint your hair. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow, that's like cans from the Riviera palette. I wouldn't even mind having that color hair. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for like 30 or 40 minutes before I move on to the next step, which is a toner. So Freddie's friend Lex, shout out, told me that I need a toner. So I got T18, it's called Lightest Ash Blonde by Wella Color Charm. And then here is, what is it called, the developer? Here's the developer. I know nothing about this process other than you are supposed to add both of them into this little mixing bowl and then paint it into your hair, which I am so excited to do because this needs to stop. Okay, and then lastly, I got this deep conditioner because I'm guessing after all of this processing, it's going to need some help. My hair is going to need some help. So I'm going to leave this in for as long as possible. I might actually mix in some of this. It's called, oh, sorry, that's like the French side. It's called Brassiness Hair Oil with lavender oil. And there was only one left on the shelf, so I figured it was a safe bet. So let's get into this process. Time to wet my hair. Okay, I'm going to take this choker off because I don't want anything to happen to it. I like it a lot. I can never figure these out. I feel like a wet dog. What's happening? I feel like Derek Zoolander. I can't figure out the computer. Ooh, 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 ooh.
The files are inside.
I'm about to just take the top off.
How do I open it?
Why? Why do I really truly have to be a hair professional to know how to open this? I'm just gonna pull it. No. Okay. Oh my god, woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Righty tighty, lefty loosey?
Oh, no, I think I was trying to get to the right. Look at the color of this stuff. Like, it's so glossy and pretty. I don't know how much I need, so I'm gonna start with this amount, but I don't have that much hair, so I feel like this is gonna be fine. Ooh, ooh, wow. It's like playing with goop. I think it might need more. It smells really nice.
So you let this stuff sit, or?
Yeah, so I watched a video on YouTube. I will link it in the description. I thought it was really helpful. And the girl in the video, I don't remember her name, I'll link it below, but she said that she uses this twice a month and she leaves it in for 20 minutes, and her hair was like as ash blonde as it gets. And she was like, I leave it in for 20 minutes unless I'm like really trying to tone some brassiness, then I'll leave it in for 30 to 40. So I figure I'm really trying to tone some brassiness, I should leave it in for longer. But she said she prefers the shampoo over the conditioner because it lathers, and she's like, I'm getting a little bit more shampoo by the way. It lathers, and she said that, ooh, this stuff is so viscous. And she said it works better than the conditioner in terms of toning her hair. So
No, I think she only said it was about lathering and like it being less expensive, you know, like.
It's not less expensive, they're the same. Ooh.
No, it's less. Well, she uses a conditioner, doesn't
You
lather, she has to
guys.
use more.
Is this like a look?
Medusa.
I feel like I'm ready to go to the ball.
I'm looking to her
Ball in
eyes.
the Hunger Games. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a long time because I want this purple to really sink in. They say if you let it sit for too long, it will tint your hair purple. I don't think that's gonna be a problem for me because I have enough pigment left in my hair. I didn't bleach it out totally white. But, you know, if it does happen, I have toner, so we'll be fine. That's that for now. See you in an hour. Alright, so I've had this on for an hour and 3 minutes. That's somewhat longer than suggested, but I'm gonna rinse it out and see what it looks like. Oh, I just felt my back crack. Oh, it's cold. Still pretty yellow. I don't know how much that actually helps, but it's a first step. I think once my hair is the color that I want it to be, it's something that I'll use to maintain it, but I don't know if it's gonna do everything that I need it to do. It's just shampoo after all, so, you know, whatever. We'll see how that goes, like, over time. But for now, I'm gonna mix up this toner. It says I need to put this box and mix it with this developer. Mix it all together and then put it into my hair, apply it to my hair for up to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna be watching, and then it said check frequently for desired, like until desired result is achieved. So again, this is Color Charm by Wella, T18 Lightest Ash Blonde. I don't know if I should just dump this in or put the developer in first. I'm just gonna go like this. Oh, that's a lot. Is that right? Like, 1 to 20? Like, that doesn't look like 1 to 20, but whatever. I've seen them do this at the hair salon. Mix it. Oh, that smells poisonous. Oh my god, I really smell like I'm in a hair salon. Look at how thick that got. Okay, wow. Do I have to let this sit? Like, hang on. Someone help. No way, a cake. I'm just taking out my jewelry. I'm so excited. Further consideration, like this might be a little bit less brassy than it was, I'm not sure. But this will certainly do something because this looks like serious stuff. This stuff is really goopy and this comb is not giving me much confidence that it's gonna stay on. Okay, I'm really afraid of burning my scalp. Wow, this stuff spreads out. I think I made more than I need. And it is slightly purple. Ugh. Oh Jesus, oh my god. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I'm gonna brush my hair, brush it through my hair a little bit. Yeah, that's helpful. You should get a little bit further down my head. I'm just gonna do my whole head, even though not all of my hair has been peroxided. It was just the top of my head. Just don't ask me what I was thinking. I couldn't tell you. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be using gloves. Shoot. Yep. All the details, baby. These are for man hands. Plus my hands are a little bit damp. So it's really hard to get into this latex. Okay, cool. Back to it. I just want to like scoop it up and like plop it into my hair. But you know, I'm gonna be professionals about this. Professional amateurs. That part needs help. Look at how yellow it is. Whew. Okay, this is feeling very saturated. I'm not sure if I need to add more. Ooh. Gloopy. Yeah, I'm liking these gloves though. I don't know if less is more, but if it is, I'm screwed. Okay, the top feels like there's like no hair that has not been touched. And then the bottom feels pretty good too. Maybe I'll just do a little dippy action. This is how they recommend you do it. I'm scrunching it all up. I'm really wanting to make sure that it's on my scalp. I don't know if that's bad. Well, this is why we're doing this on video, so that you guys can learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. First of all, don't start with peroxide. You're gonna end up with a lot of work. And now we wait for another 30 minutes. So this stuff went from being like white to dark purple. You can't even see how dark it is in there, but like that's the color. And this is what my hair looks like. Freddie will get a better close-up for you. Putting my trusty gloves back on, and I'm gonna rinse this stuff out because it's been 30 minutes and it said up to 30 minutes. It feels like conditioner.
There's so much purple coming off in the water.
Really? If I dyed my hair, it would probably be purple. Flipping over. Ugh. Feels like it's all out. I hope it is. That looks ashier than it did before. I can say that for sure. That's not the part that I'm worried about. It's more the top of my head. So have a look for yourself. I think upon, first glance, and even though my hair is wet, it looks ashier to me than it did before. This stuff called Repair Solutions by Ion. It says deep daily conditioning treatment. So I'm also gonna add some of this brassiness hair oil by Hair Chemist. It said apply a few drops to your hand. Applying a splash. 2 shots of vodka. This is so fun, you guys. Oh my god. Working that through my hair. I'm gonna let that sit for like 2 hours, then I'm gonna rinse this out and let my hair dry, and then I will be back to show you my new, hopefully less brassy hair.